Hi guys, welcome back. In this episode we'll learn about variables. So what are variables? So first let's see how to create a variable. Let's give it a name, variable name, and we assign it some values. Okay, for now let's assign the variable x1. Okay, so what are variables and how do they work? Okay, variables are like bucket. Okay, simply said, they are containers that can hold data. What? Containers that hold data. For example, take a look here. This bucket is a variable. So what is this bucket holding? Water. So bucket is a variable, and what it's holding? Water is the value. So for example, take a look here. So what we did here is created a variable. It's the bucket that is holding the value 1. That means we are assigning value 1 to the variable. Yes, this is what we are doing when we are assigning. Okay, let's see again. A is equals to 1. Okay, a is equals to 3, or let's do 1. Let's do a is equals to 1, x both are 1. So what we are doing is we are referring a as 1. Means when a is called, the variable, when we call variable a, we'll get its value 1. So let's get coding. So let b is equals to, so what's the difference between a and b? A is the variable and e is assigned value 1. B is the variable and b has been assigned with high subscriber. So while closing, we call words and letter as strings. So this is a string, high subscriber is a string. So whenever we have to store values like strings, which are words and letters, in that case we need to put it inside the parenthesis. The parenthesis can be either double quote or single quote. Okay, you can write anyone like this. Hi there guys. Okay, so but now let's print an output a. So the output must be 1. Here you go, the output is 1. So what will happen when we print output c, or let's say b? Whenever you are printing b, you will get high subscribers. Notice here, okay, there is a gap in between before high started. It's because of here is a space. So let me save this. No, let me run it again. So the gap is gone. So the space is also taken as a string or a word while you write it as a string. Okay, so let me clear this too. Okay, sorry. Now what should we do? Next is let's swap the values. Okay, so see here in the image, b is referring to high subscribers as its value. B is the bucket variable, which is the variable that is holding high subscribers as its value, or referring to high subscriber as its value. So you must have understood variables. Let me give. So how would you, for example, you want to let's refer different variables, 2 or 3 variables, and get a single value. Okay, so how do you do it? For example, let me do b is equals to value. So what I did here is, don't forget to put it inside the parenthesis. V equals to value. Now let me do a simpler one. Okay, x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2. Okay, so I need z. Okay, so what will happen when I refer z as x and print z? Can you guess what will be the output? the output is 1, guys. Why? Because we are referring z as x. Okay, z refers, z goes to x and x whatsoever value, the value of x is 1, and x refers to 1. This says this is my value, take it, and here you go z. When we print z, we run it as z. So how would I print if I want to print z, not the value of z? Then in that case you will do it like strings. Okay, strings which are equals to words. Okay, so you need to put it inside this parenthesis. So just write z and run. Oopsie, I deleted one of the parentheses, sorry. Here you go. So the answer, first, when you are printing z variable, it refers to x and gets the value 1, which is this. And when you are printing z, it acts as in string means words. Okay, and goes here, so the output is z. So that is a variable. In next lecture we will do a simple exercise of variable.